Today I shall start exercise 8.4. Question number 1. Express sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. Now listen. At first a right triangle ABC is drawn. Okay. In which angle B is 90 degree and this A is A. A, B, C. And question is the express sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So you write down cot A equal to. Cot A means cot A by 1 you can assume, and numerator and denominator you multiply it by k. Okay. Then cot A by 1 equal to k cot A by k. And right here multiplying numerator and denominator by k. So we know cot A equal to B by P. So from this angle if we see, then it is P and it is B because the side opposite to the respective angle is P. P means perpendicular. So K cot A by K. So P, this is P and this is B. So B equal to K cot A and P equal to K. So AB by BC. AB equal to K cot A and BC equal to K. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Okay. Now AB square equal to K cot A square, which you look here, K cot A square plus K square. This is K square. Okay. This is K square. So K cot A square whole square plus K square equal to AC square. So K square cot A square plus K square equal to AC square. Now AC square equal to, I have changed, you take common between these two. AC square equal to K square cot A square plus K square. So AC equal to, when we remove square you use root. So K square you take common among these two, K square and in bracket 1 plus cot square A. Okay. Now there are two K's. So when we remove K, remove root, then K will, here only K you write. So K into 1 plus cot square A. So AC, in place of AC you write here K root under 1 plus cot square A. So sin A equal to P by H. So K by K 1 root under 1 plus cot square A. Okay. So K cancel and 1 by root under 1 plus cot square A. And sec A equal to H by B. H by B. So H equal to K root under 1 plus cot square A by K cot A. H and this is B. So K cancel and what remains, root under 1 plus cot square A by cot A. And tan A equal to P by B. So P equal to K and B equal to K cot A. K cancel and 1 by cot A. Understand? Now next question. Question number 2. Same type of question. Write all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. Same here you write here angle A, ABC is a right triangle where angle B equal to 90 degree. Sec A means sec A by 1. You can write in this way that numerator and denominator you multiplied by K. So K sec A by K. Sec is the in form of H by B. H by B. H equal to AC, which is opposite to the 90 degree angle, and AB is the B. So H by B. So AC equal to K sec A and AB equal to K. Okay. Now by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. So AB equal to K square plus BC square equal to K square sec square A. So BC square equal to K square sec square A minus K square. So K square you take common. So in bracket sec square A minus 1. So BC equal to K square root under K square sec square A minus 1. So K will be out here. So BC equal to K root under sec square A minus 1. Okay. Now I have written here, look, this is B, this is P and this is H. So what we have got, I have write down now sin A. Sin A equal to P by H. So this by this, K root under sec square A minus 1 by sec K sec A. So K cancel and root under sec square A minus 1 by sec A. And cos A equal to B by H. So K by K sec A. K cancel 1 by sec A. And tan A equal to P by B. So K root under sec square A minus 1 by K. K cancel and in root under sec square A minus A. Now cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. So I have just reversed. This is the answer of sin A. So sec A will be equal to sec A by root under sec square minus 1. This is cosec A. Because cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. And cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. So tan A we have got root under sec square minus 1. So cot A equal to 1 by this reciprocal of this will be 1 by root under sec square A minus 1. Now next question number 3. Evaluate. Sin square 63 degree plus sin square 27 degree by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Now you know the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we have to apply the formula. Here degrees are different and one is sine, both are sine. So at first you have to represent this in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta. So this is sin square theta, no change. This is sin square, so you change it cos square. Now 90 minus 27 means this formula we have applied here. Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay. Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. That is sin square theta equal to cos square 90 minus theta. So I have written here cos square 90 minus 27. And here also I have changed cos square 17 degree equal to sin square 90 minus 17 degree. That is cos square theta equal to sin square 90 minus theta. I have applied. And there is remain unchanged. So sin square 63 degree plus cos square 63 degree. And here sin square 73 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Now a formula achieved. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Both the angles are same 63 degree and in denominator sin square theta by cos square theta. So this value is 1 and this value is also 1. 1 by 1, 1. Look here, I have written the formula also which I have applied sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now next sin 25 degree cos 65 degree plus cos 25 and sin 65. Now same formula we are trying to represent sin square theta. So this is sin theta and this cos theta will be changed as sin 90 minus theta because cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. And here cos 25 is remain unchanged and sin 65 should be changed as cos 90 minus 65. So sin 25 after subtraction. And here cos 25 after subtraction. So same thing here sin 25 into sin 25 that is sin square 25 degree plus cos square 25 degree whose value is 1 because angles are same so thetas are same. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This formula can be applied here. So sin square 25 degree plus cos square 25 degree equal to 1. Now okay.